Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add a new payment method in your Uber app. So let's start the tutorial. Click on the Uber app, let it load. After letting it load for some time, here you can see the basic user interface from where you can order a cab or ride. Now, at the right bottom corner, you can see the account option. Just click on the account option. After clicking on account option, here you can see your profile, your name, your rating, your wallet, trips, help, send a gift, settings, etc. options. Now what you need to do is basically just click on the wallet option. Now here what you can see, there are several types of options like gift card, send a gift, Paytm, cash, business profile, personal profile, vouchers, promotions. What is this promotion? Oh, this is the off that I got. Okay, that's cool. So now what you need to do is, yeah. So here you can see the payment methods. Now click on a payment method, add payment method or redeem gift card. Now in US, it will also ask for PayPal option. If you have PayPal, you can link the PayPal with it. But in India, it's like Paytm. So here you can add your credit or debit card, whichever way you want to pay. Enter your credentials, save it, and let the Uber app check it. After that, it will be added to your payment method. Now what you need to do is come back all the way, click on home page, click on the search bar, search where you want to go. I want to go to Ayan's home and I will just select Uber Go. Now what you can see here is an option of personal cash. Click on it. From here, if you must have added your card or credit card, you can see it here. Now I would like to pay by Paytm. I will click on it. It will get selected. Now basically what you need to do is head back and confirm your Uber and then pay by that method at the end of the ride once you get out of it. So this was it for this video. Now you have learned how to add a new payment method in the Uber app. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.